have nothing to eat. What can I eat? Oh yeah, we have bologna. I totally forgot. Bologna. Oh wait, I need my soda. Got some bologna. I want some bologna. Alright. And I'm just gonna turn on some TV. What this is, I heard popping and I was cooking bologna. Like, what? That's popcorn, right? I'm not tripping, that's popcorn. How? You watched me put bologna in there, right? Like, there was proof of bologna being put in there. This just makes no sense. One thing need to know. So, if bologna works, anything will. Well, hopefully anything. You know what it's time for? This is crazy. This is the best. This is gonna be awesome. Just eating some popcorn and watching some SpongeBob. Oh, and it's a marathon. Oh yeah.